In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AvaTrade account and connect MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside AvaTrade, go to top right here, click on this drop down arrow and click on See All next to Accounts. Because here we're gonna of course have to create an account first, and the way you do this is by clicking Add an Account, and for me, I'm gonna create a demo account. You can do the same with the real account as well. After this, you have to select your trading platform and make sure you actually select MT5 and then your base currency as well. And after this, click on the Submit button. Now, once that's going to happen here, you're going to be able to see your new account under your Accounts tab over here. So if I just go to See All again, or if I just click Cancel, there we go, you can see my account list, and here I have an MT5 account, okay? So the important things over here are going to be this one, the login and the server as well, and then the password to actually sign in is going to be the same as you used to actually sign in to your AvaTrade account, okay? So here, just go to MT5 and then click on File, top left, click on Open an Account, and then search for AvaTrade. Click on Find Your Company, and then click on AvaTrade Ltd over here, and then just click Next. And then under Connect with Existing Trade Account, click here, and the login is going to be, of course, the one which you just seen. It's going to be your number. So for me, I also have it in my email over here. I'm going to just paste it. There we go. And then the password is your created password. Remember, this is the one you actually use to sign into your account. And then here for me, it's a demo account. I'm going to click on Finish. And just like that, as you can see, we've successfully created a new account on AvaTrade and then connected to MetaTrader 5. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.